What's up guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best dashcams that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Rexing V1 4K is a top-of-the-line device designed for discreet and high-quality video recording while on the road. Its 2.4-inch LCD screen provides a clear interface for easy navigation and video playback. With a 170 degrees ultra-wide-angle lens and 4K video resolution, the dashcam captures exquisite images with rich color and high contrast, even in challenging lighting conditions. Equipped with a gravity sensor, the Rexing V1 can detect collisions and automatically lock the current video footage, ensuring that crucial moments are securely stored. The loop recording feature allows for continuous recording in 1, 2, or 3-minute intervals, with new recordings overriding the oldest when the storage limit is reached on the supported microSD memory card, which can go up to 256 GB. The superior wide dynamic range technology adjusts exposure to create balanced images and footage in various lighting situations. The dashcam also features a supercapacitor, ensuring reliable performance in extreme temperatures and extending the overall lifespan of the device. With built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, users can conveniently view, save, and share dashcam recordings wirelessly on their mobile devices through a dedicated app interface. The Rexing V1 also offers a parking monitor feature, automatically recording a 20-second video when vibrations are detected, or it can be set to record 24/7 for continuous surveillance, requires a smart hardware kit. Priced competitively at $100, the Rexing V1 4K dashcam provides a reliable, discreet, and feature-rich solution for those seeking high-quality video documentation of their driving experiences. The Vantrue N2 Pro is a feature-packed and highly regarded option designed specifically for rideshare drivers. Its dual-channel system consists of a 1080p front-facing camera with a 170 degrees field of view, and an inside-facing camera capturing at 1080p with a 140 degrees field of view. This dashcam is praised for its ability to simultaneously record the road and the inside of the passenger cabin in crystal-clear detail at dual 1920 by 1080p 30 frames per second. For solo driving situations, the front camera can be set to record at an impressive 2.5K, 2560 by 1440p 30 frames per second, ensuring clear visuals of license plates and road signs. The interior-facing camera features infrared night vision, utilizing 4 infrared LED lights and an f2.0 aperture, allowing it to handle low light conditions and capture flawless video footage even in dark passenger cabins. The Vantrue N2 Pro offers a range of advanced features, including 24-hour motion-activated parking mode, auto LCD off timer, looping recording, G-sensor for collision detection, and a built-in microphone for excellent audio recording. The compact and discreet design is suitable for various vehicle types, and it comes with a full 18-month warranty, providing users with total peace of mind. The Vantrue N2 Pro is competitively priced at $170, considering its dual-camera setup, infrared night vision, and comprehensive set of features, making it an excellent choice for rideshare drivers looking for a reliable and high-quality dashcam solution. The Cobra SC201 redefines the driving experience by seamlessly integrating cutting-edge technology to enhance safety, navigation, and overall peace of mind. Equipped with dual 1080p resolution cameras, the SC201 captures both front and interior views with exceptional clarity. The infrared LED interior camera ensures clear footage even in low-light conditions or at night, providing complete coverage inside the cabin. What sets the SC201 apart is its real-time driver alerts, offering notifications for red light and speed cameras, as well as crowdsourced radar detector alerts. The heads-up navigation feature provides on-screen notifications for upcoming turns, ensuring a safer driving experience without the need to glance at a phone while on the road. Live police alerts on screen make the SC201 truly unique, providing exclusive notifications for radar speed zones, speed camera locations, and more. In the unfortunate event of an accident, the dashcam facilitates incident reports and emergency mayday alerts, instantly sharing critical information with insurance companies and notifying emergency contacts. Engineered with a sensor-based network, the SC201 displays upcoming speed traps more accurately than leading crowdsourced apps, providing a proactive defense against unforeseen road challenges. With dual front and interior-facing cameras recording in Full HD 1080p, infrared night vision, and a 2-inch display, this dashcam offers comprehensive video protection day and night. More than just a dashcam, it integrates with a nationwide network, delivering notifications of red light camera locations, speed traps, and other alerts. With an easy setup, excellent video quality, and a reasonable $180 price point, the Cobra SC201 dashcam emerges as a compelling choice for those seeking advanced features and enhanced security on the road. The Crosstour CR900 is a highly regarded dual dashcam that delivers an array of features for enhanced driving safety and surveillance. This dashcam captures both front and rear views in 1080p, ensuring high-definition recording of the road ahead and behind. Equipped with a Novatec 96663 processor and a 3-inch screen, it offers seamless operation and convenient video playback. Featuring a range of multifunctional capabilities, the CR900 stands out with 24-hour parking guard, motion detection, loop recording, G-sensor, and emergency video lock. These features collectively provide comprehensive protection and coverage, making it an ideal choice for users seeking advanced functionalities in a dashcam. The CR900 employs a Novatec chip and a Sony sensor, ensuring superior video quality in various lighting conditions. Its f1.8 super big aperture enhances night vision, capturing clearer and brighter images even in low-light environments. The dual 170 degrees wide-angle lenses contribute to an extensive field of view, covering up to 4 lanes and minimizing blind spots for all-around protection. The dashcam supports external GPS, enabling users to enhance their driving experience by incorporating location data into recordings. Additionally, the HDR feature automatically adjusts brightness, making it suitable for low-light or backlit situations. Priced at $110, Crosstour emphasizes delivering higher performance at a lower cost, making dashcams accessible to a broader audience. The CR900 not only records scenic journeys, but also serves as a 24-hour security solution for your vehicle. With positive reviews and popularity on platforms like Amazon, the Crosstour CR900 stands as a compelling option for those seeking an affordable yet feature-rich dual dashcam. The Vital dashcam offers comprehensive safety features, high-quality video recording, and effortless installation to ensure the continuous security of your vehicle. With ultra-clear footage in high definition, this dashcam captures every detail around your car, leaving no room for missed information. Its impact sensing technology instantly locks vital footage upon collision, providing indisputable evidence when needed. Drive confidently day or night, as the Vital dashcam ensures night vision clarity, capturing even the darkest road scenes with precision. The dashcam operates with endless recording, consistently updating its footage to ensure recent events are always stored. The Vigilant Parking mode detects and records any motion around your parked vehicle, offering round-the-clock security. Setting up the Vital dashcam is a simple and quick process, allowing you to start protecting your drive within minutes. The seamless loop recording feature automatically overwrites old footage, ensuring space for new recordings without manual intervention. With a night vision lens and 24/7 motion detect parking monitor, this dashcam offers all-around security. The Vital dashcam comes with a DIY installation kit, including a suction mount for hassle-free setup. It features Wi-Fi connectivity for quick sharing directly from your devices. With a 30-day money-back guarantee, priced at $130, this dashcam is a reliable choice that records impacts during collisions and comes with an expandable memory slot to ensure ample space for recordings.